started, one of the drills I like to do to build confidence, particularly in newer athletes to lacrosse, is really work on throwing motion like in baseball. So what I do is I take kind of a scaffolding approach, and we really just work on a baseball throw. So typically what I would teach a newer athlete new to lacrosse is, because most athletes have played some sort of little league sport, little league baseball, little league softball. Even if they haven't, they've probably seen it on TV. So it's a little bit easier to relate to than, lacrosse, which isn't necessarily a mainstream sport. So first thing I work on is shoulders square to the wall, and then just a little league, very simple. We do T, L, step, and throw. So we just mimic that motion. T, L, step, throw. Just keep doing that with a tennis ball, pretty easy. T, L, step, throw. Then what we do is we turn that into a fluid throwing motion. T, L, step, throw. And what I do is I work with the athletes, and I'll transition to the stick. And what I tell them then is the motion is exactly the same. You're just starting in the L position. So square facing the wall, and you're already in your L position. And then we just turn it into a wall ball drill. It's a pretty simple drill. The other thing I like about this drill is you can break down the throwing motion to build confidence pretty easily. So where are they going wrong? Is it in the L motion here, or is it in the step? Then you can also later on break down those pieces to look at a particular focus. So what I like about this is it makes it very easy to build confidence early. Most athletes, again, are familiar with that throwing motion, so you can mimic it, and then once you put the stick in the hand, it's a pretty easy transition, and then they can very easily just work on a wall ball drill like this. Doesn't require that you're necessarily proficient at catching quite yet, but you master that throwing motion and build some confidence that way.